Okay, well, oh, Rain's talking. What'd you say there? Oh, Rain. For those of you who have been keeping up on my channel, I got Rain about 3 months ago, completely plucked, as you can see. But she's starting to grow in some butt feathers. She only had like a couple sparks that she tore out pretty much immediately in the first week. But now she's got a couple of butt feathers. That's pretty cool, right? Rain, you want to say hi? Rain's super shy. Come on, Rain. Hi. Oh, the foot's going up. Oh, you laughing? Are you laughing at me? You're laughing at me? Okay, hi. 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 Good bird. Good bird. You want to flash? Flash. Come on. Oh. Good bird. Can you turn around? Come on, turn around. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Give me a kiss. Oh. And you like doing this? Come on, let go, let go. Let go. Oh. Not used to the camera quite just yet, right? Oh, right. The shoulder rest. Shoulder rest. Come on, shoulder rest. Shoulder rest. There we go. Yeah. Shoulder rest. Okay. Good bird. Good bird. Oh, she loves that. Watch. The normal exit out of this is that the birds kiss me, but I can't get her to kiss me. I have to force her. Come on, give me a kiss. Come on, give me a kiss. Good bird. She loves that one, right? Okay, say bye. 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 Come on, bye. Bye. Alright, I'm going to say bye because I've got Georgie walking around the computers back there.